Do you want to know how you can trim your videos using v.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can trim your videos using v.io. Go ahead and open v.io on your Chrome or Edge browser, and then you can click on Create Project, or you can just edit your previously edited videos. After you click on it, it will open up. Now, to trim your video, all you need to do is hover around your video section, which is over here, tap on it and drag it by tapping it. As you can see, if you tap on your left button of your mouse and scroll it or drag it, your video will be trimmed. It can be edited according to this, and you can see the timing will increase and decrease upon your wish. So all you need to do is open up a video, export it or import the video in v.io, drag and drop it over here, and you can see that you can move the video section as well. And to trim it, all you need to do is click on the edge of the video and pull it, and you can see that your video has been trimmed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.